Alright, today I'm going to go over finding area of, I guess, somewhat abnormal shapes. Basically, kind of two rectangles that are split up, combined. So a lot of times it'll be something like, this is someone's room and their closet, or something along those lines. But I just want to go over how to find the area of a shape like this. So, first thing, as you can see, not all of these lines are labeled, right? So, let's just say that this is in inches. Okay. So, this is 2 inches, this is 2 inches, this is 7 inches, and this is 5 inches. Well, from this, from these four numbers, we can actually figure out what this line is and what this line is. So a lot of times they'll leave some of these lines blank. They might not, but they might leave them blank, and then you have to figure them out. So it's pretty easy to do. So if this line is 7, okay, and let's just pretend I drew these shapes with the mouse, and obviously they're not perfect, but let's just pretend they are exactly straight, perfect lines, and these are perfect rectangles, okay? So this is 7, and this is 2. So this line plus this line has to equal this line, right? They're the same height when you combine this line and this line. So if this is 7 and this is 2, this has to be the other piece of 7, which would then be 5, right? 5 plus 2 equals 7. And for this one, this is 5, okay? And this piece is 2. So this piece right here has to be 3, because this line plus this line equals the length of this line. So now that we have all of these, we can do these problems in one of two ways. Well, we have to split them up into two rectangles. But we can split them up into two rectangles differently, right? One way is we can split it up like this. Okay, so this rectangle right here is actually a square, and it's 2 by 2. So this would have an area of 4, right? 4 inches squared. And then this rectangle right here would be 5, okay, by 5, which would be, 25 inches squared, right? This 7 doesn't work because it's for the length of this whole line that goes through both rectangles. And this 3 doesn't work because it's that's only part of the length of this rectangle, right? Obviously, it's not drawn to scale. Both of these should be squares, right, if this is 5 and 5. But the answer would be 29 inches squared. But let's look at the other way we can do this. And if you do it right, obviously the area shouldn't change. So now we can split it up like this. And now this rectangle is going to be 7 and 2. So that would be 14 inches squared. And then this one is 3 and 5, which is 15 inches squared. And then 14 plus 15, also 29. So that is how you can do find the area of these shapes that are actually two rectangles combined. So hopefully that clears things up.